In this video, I will show you how to enlarge an individual cell in Excel. So, easy way to enlarge individual cell. Select it and here make the more size like 72. But you will see this whole row is enlarged. If you want to enlarge individual cell, so select some cells like this and merge and center. Click on merge and center. So we can see this way you can enlarge individual cell using this merge and center option. So this is the way you can enlarge an individual cell in Excel. Simple and basic way. Select multiple rows and cells. Then click on merge and center. That's it. If you want to remove, so again select and click on this drop down and select unmerged cells. That's it. Thanks for watching.